Hello, today we'll be doing a quick look at a popularized switch from Gateron, the CJ or China Joys. What makes these interesting is that they're a new switch which features a POM stem, ink top housing, 60-gram spring, and a POM bottom housing, with the latter being the interesting note. By far these are one of the smoothest switches I've ever felt, even in stock form, similar to like ice candies or even OP blacks. The top housing is something we've seen before on older Gateron switches with the translucent housing, and it's a very tight fit with the bottom housing, so don't really need films. The POM stem is a similar site, with a slightly thicker bottom post with a slight taper. This is your standard 4mm travel and comes unlubed from the factory. Now, onto the bottom housing, which is POM. If you've ever felt stick slip before, which is essentially where similar materials grab onto each other before finally breaking free, that was something I was concerned with given the stem's also POM. But I'm happy to say that either it's a different blend of POM or something else that's attributing to how smooth the switch is, where you don't get that horrendous NK cream POM scratch. First impressions, apart from how smooth the switch is that it's very clacky and high-pitched, which you may like, but personally, given the longer travel, and as someone who leans towards deeper sounding switches, I'm eventually going to try to find a stem that works well with the bottom housing. I've tried ice candies and giant V5 stems, those aren't great, but Zaku stems work well. I'll play a sound test shortly, and you can let me know your thoughts down below. Thanks, and have a good one.